I get it. There are so many tools out there that gives you insights like search volumes and keyword suggestions. They are useful, but they can only take you so far. Now imagine instead of relying just on predictions, you are working with a treasure trove of data from actual Amazon shoppers. The keywords they are typing in, the ones that leads to clicks, and most importantly, the ones that convert. With the search term report in your bulk files, you have direct access to that gold mine of data. This report does not just show you search volumes, it shows exactly which keywords or even root terms are driving results in your campaigns. You can see which phrases generates high impressions, which ones bring in clicks, and ultimately which ones brings the sales. In today's video, I will walk you through using this data to identify high impact keywords, read the long tail keywords and related terms, and organize them for more targeted campaigns. By the end of this video, you will know how to use Amazon's own insights to give your ads a powerful edge. Let's get started. To start with advanced keyword research, the first place to look is your bulk files search terms report. This is where you will find valuable data on how specific keywords and phrases are performing. Start by sorting through the impressions and click columns to have an idea about the search volumes. This also gives you a hint that which of the keywords have high engagement so that you can prioritize those keywords accordingly. Start your research with root analysis. For example, if you find the root term organic skincare is appearing frequently and generating conversions as well, you will know it is a valuable keyword to prioritize. In your bulk files, locate each instance of this term under the keyword text column and note any additional keywords that included. This gives you insight into which phrases performs best and helps you pinpoint other similar terms to add to your listing. Another important metric to review is click-through rate. As a high CTR means shoppers are interested enough to click on your listing. When you see a keyword with both a high CTR and a high conversion rate, you have found a term that resonates well with the customer. These are ideal keywords for your listings main areas like the title and the first bullet points ideally. Once you have identified highly relevant keywords, organize them by priority. Terms with both high impressions and high conversions should go in the prominent parts in your listing as we discussed earlier, such as listing title and the bullet points. Keyword with moderate impressions but still relevant to your product can be added to the backend search terms or other bullet points for additional visibility. To capture a broader audience, it is essential to expand your keyword list with the long tail and related search terms. Long tail keywords are phrases that are more specific but less competitive, making them valuable for targeting customers with clear purchase intent. In your bulk files search term data, look for keywords, phrases that include your main keyword. For instance, if you're selling organic vitamins or it is one of your top keywords, you might find related terms like organic vitamins for women or organic immune support vitamins, or maybe a lot of other long tail keywords. These terms are useful for the listings, bullet points and backend search terms, and you can also add them in the description or A+ content, as they help you capture niche search volumes without overcrowding the main titles. You can also gather additional long tail ideas from competitor analysis. Look at listings with strong organic rankings from your main keywords and identify phrases they use that you haven't included. If you see competitors ranking for specific product attributes or benefits such as fast acting or non-GMO, and these search terms appears related to your product, consider adding them into your listing. Or you can just filter out the search term data with these phrases. After identifying these terms, add them to your bulk files keyword text column for easy reference. Use them in a natural way within your listing, integrating them into your bullet points, product description, and backend search terms to improve your organic reach. With these advanced keyword research techniques, you are equipped with optimizing your product listings for maximum visibility and relevancy. By using high impact keywords from your bulk file, expanding with the long tail keywords and organizing them throughout your listing, you will attract more shoppers and obviously giving a better chance for your organic rankings. If you found all of these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on our future episodes. In our next video, we will focus on structuring your bulk file campaigns for maximum efficiency, making it easier to manage and optimize multiple campaigns in just one go. See you in the next episode.